Welcome to Healthcare Bites for You. Did you know there's a plant so powerful it's recommended for astronauts in space? It's called Moringa, a superfood packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But here's the problem. It tastes bad, and most people can't stick with it. In this video, we'll show you how to make a delicious Moringa tea that keeps all the health benefits without the bitter taste. If you're feeling tired, low on energy, dealing with high cholesterol, or low iron, this simple tea might be exactly what your body needs. Why Moringa is a superfood? Moringa is loaded with vitamin A, C, calcium, iron, potassium, and antioxidants. NASA even includes it in astronaut diets because it helps support energy, immunity, and overall health in extreme conditions. For people over 50, Moringa can help boost energy and reduce fatigue, improve iron levels and hemoglobin, support heart and digestive health, balance blood sugar and cholesterol. The problem: Moringa tastes bad. The biggest complaint about Moringa? It tastes like bitter grass. Even though it's healthy, people give up quickly because of the flavor. That's why we're sharing a simple recipe that makes it taste great, so you'll actually want to drink it. The tea recipe: what you'll need. To make tasty Moringa tea, here's what you'll need. High-quality green Moringa powder or freshly ground dried leaves. Fresh ginger for better digestion and flavor. Lemon juice adds vitamin C and helps with iron absorption. Honey or a diabetic-safe sweetener. Water. Make sure the Moringa powder is green, not brown. Brown powder means it's over-dried and has lost nutrients. How to make Moringa tea step by step. 1. Boil 1.5 cups of water. 2. Add half teaspoon of Moringa powder. 3. Add half-inch piece of fresh ginger, sliced. 4. Boil gently for 3 to 4 minutes. 5. Let it cool slightly. 6. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. 7. Add honey or sweetener if diabetic to taste. Drink it warm once a day, morning or evening. Who should drink this tea? This tea is especially helpful if you feel constantly tired or weak, have low iron, ferritin, or hemoglobin, struggle with high cholesterol or blood sugar, deal with digestive issues like bloating or constipation. Moringa supports your heart, blood, liver, and even your gut. Who should be cautious? Although Moringa is natural, it's not for everyone. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, have serious chronic conditions, talk to your doctor before using it regularly. And for those with diabetes, skip the honey and use a sugar substitute. Results with daily use. Most people start noticing results within 7 to 14 days of drinking Moringa tea daily. Energy improves, digestion gets easier, and blood markers like iron or cholesterol may slowly improve. But remember, consistency is key. Small steps each day lead to big health changes. Motivating conclusion: Moringa is a gift from nature, but only if you use it the right way. Now that you know how to make it taste better, there's no reason not to give it a try. So take that first sip, smile, and know you're doing something good for your body every single day. Your health is your greatest wealth, so drink to that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our community at Healthcare Bites for You for more simple, powerful health tips. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health.